Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on the device itself. Make sure your watch is unlocked and charged so settings changes apply. Open Settings on the Apple Watch, or on your iPhone, open the Watch app and tap General. Once there, navigate to Keyboard or Language and Region. This is where keyboard options live. You're doing this first because toggles are device-specific and may sync from the phone. Now tap Keyboard to view installed keyboards and language options so you can modify or add one. You'll add or select the keyboard next. Tap Add New Keyboard and pick the language or layout you need. This determines available input methods. Make sure to enable Scribble for handwriting and dictation if you prefer voice. For newer watches, enable the full QWERTY if available. Once added, you can press Edit to reorder keyboards or swipe left to delete ones you don't want. Doing this controls which keyboard appears first and reduces accidental switches when typing. Finish by testing the keyboard in Messages or Notes to confirm the change. Open a message, tap Input, and cycle keyboards if needed. If the new keyboard doesn't show or options won't sync, restart the watch and make sure the paired iPhone has the same language settings. If problems continue, reset keyboard settings or unpair and repair the watch. This refreshes profiles. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart first. Many keyboard and sync glitches clear with a simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.